I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I'm here at the Morgan Road crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. It's around sunset right now on the 6th of January 2023. And as you can see, we've got signals on at West Hood. We are looking east, but they are red, which means we have ourselves a westbound. And this westbound train is manifest M331. Of course, this train can take either the Old Main Line or the Capital and Metropolitan subdivisions. It depends on if it has work in Jessup, because yes, M331 sometimes works Jessup. But on this day, it didn't, because they're sending it straight down the Old Main. So yeah, I have no idea what it's going to have on it, but we're going to find out in a second. And yeah, we're going to see it going on this mile-long straightaway here in the Hood siding. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here comes M331. Okay, here it is. Bit of freight now. Autoracks, might be autoracks the rest of the way. Oh nope, I'm wrong. Nothing of interest rolling stock wise, but it's always cool to see a manifest on the old main. Wow, he's a much longer M331 than the one I caught at Martinsburg. There it goes. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and here from Morgan Road Crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision with Old Main Productions, this is the Old Main guys signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day.